Egret bird are herons that have white or buff plumage, develop fine plumes during the breeding season. Egrets are not a biologically distinct group from the herons and have the same build. Many egrets are members of the genera Egreta or Ardea, which also contain other species named as herons rather than egrets. The distinction between a heron and an egret is rather vague, and depends more on appearance than biology. The word egret comes from the French word aigret that means both silver heron and brush, referring to the long, filamentous feathers that seem to cascade down an egret's back during the breeding season. Several of the egrets have been reclassified from one genus to another in recent years. The great egret, for example, has been classified as a member of either Chasmarodeus, Egreta, or Ardea. In the 19th and early part of the 20th centuries, some of the world's egret species were endangered by relentless plume hunting, since hat makers in Europe and the United States demanded large numbers of egret plumes, leading to breeding birds being killed in many places around the world. Several egreta species, including the eastern reef egret, the reddish egret, and the western reef egret, have two distinct colors, one of which is entirely white. The little blue heron has all-white juvenile plumage. Many egret species can be identified by wispy, lace-like plumes, called egret feathers, which the males sport during the breeding season. Egrets are approximately 84 to 102 centimeters, 33 to 40 in. Tall and have a wingspan up to 150 centimeters, 59 in. Great egrets weigh about 900 to 1,360 grams, 32 to 48 ounces.